So one of the ways you can solve a quadratic equation is by completing the square. Now, I'm not going to show you actually how to complete the square in this video because I've already shown you how to do that in previous videos. What I'm going to show you is what happens after that, the actual solving bit. So let's get on with it. X squared minus 8x plus 7 equals 16 is our question. You complete the square for that, so you get that. So that's equal to 16. And then you start moving everything away from the x. You're trying to make x the subject here. So here we go. The first thing you can move is the stuff outside the bracket. So that to minus 9 moves to the other side. So you get 16 plus 9, which is 25. So you got x minus 4 squared left on this side, and you got 25 on this side. Next thing is to square root both sides. So if you square root a square, you basically undo the square. So if I said like 10 squared and then square root it, you go back to 10. Yeah. So if I got x minus 4 squared and then square root it, you go back to x minus 4. And square root this side gives you 5 and minus 5. Hopefully you know that when you square root things, you get what I call equal and opposite answers. You get the same answer, but opposite versions. You get the positive and the negative version. And this plus or minus sign is a quick way of writing that. This thing here means two numbers, 5 and minus 5. So basically we square rooted both sides, which gives you this. And so if you do one more step to make x a subject, the minus 4 jumps to the other side and you get a plus 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 5 plus 4. This actually means two different numbers, since this means two different numbers, right? So what does plus or minus 5 plus 4 equal? Well, it means 5 plus 4, which is 9, and it also means minus 5 plus 4, which is minus 1. Because minus 5 plus 4 is minus 1. So those are your two solutions. Now when you complete the square, or solve by completing the square, it works pretty much the same way every single time.